Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to redeem your Indigo gift card online. You can redeem your Indigo gift card online after you make a purchase while checking out. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your web browser and go to indigo.ca and make your search. Make sure that you are logged into your Indigo account, and once you are, you can easily redeem your gift card while making online purchases. So go ahead and pick a product. Let me quickly pick a product just to show it to you. Add the product to your cart. Click on view cart if you'd like to check out, but if you'd like to continue shopping, click on continue shopping and add more product to your cart. Let me click on the view cart option right now in order to reach to the order summary page. Click on proceed to check out, and now on the next page, go ahead and fill in your shipping address information in the text boxes that appears on the display. If you'd like to apply a gift card or a promo code, click on this apply a promo bonus code option over here. You'll be able to see a text field appearing. Simply type in your gift card information, that is your gift card number, and click on the apply button in order to apply your gift card for your Indigo purchase. That is how you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Indigo while making a purchase online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.